Today, let's talk about one of the beautiful and unique plants, the Euphorbia tirucalli. This plant has gained popularity among indoor plant enthusiasts due to its features and beauty. Let's learn more about this extraordinary plant together. Euphorbia tirucalli, scientifically known as Euphorbia tirucalli, is a beautiful and resilient plant native to tropical and subtropical regions. It is found in Africa, South Asia, and South India. Care conditions? Temperature. Euphorbia tirucalli prefers warm temperatures and generally thrives in temperatures between 18–30 degrees Celsius. It exhibits considerable resistance to heat, but temperatures below 10 degrees Celsius may cause damage. Humidity. Euphorbia tirucalli requires minimal water and exhibits high resistance to drought. Therefore, the key point in caring for it is to ensure that the soil is not consistently wet. Light. This plant requires abundant light and should be placed in a location where it receives direct sunlight. Watering's out. Watering should be done moderately and in accordance with standard amounts. Watering can be done when the soil has completely dried out. For soil, this plant thrives in dry, loamy soil and specific greenhouse soils. Fertilization. From spring to fall, you can help Euphorbia tirucalli by applying a mixture of houseplant fertilizer diluted with water every 2 weeks. Propagation methods. Euphorbia tirucalli is usually propagated through stem cuttings. For this, a cutting of the plant is made with a sharp knife and planted in moist soil in a warm and humid environment. After a few weeks, new roots will form and a new plant will grow. Suitable location for growth indoors. The location with abundant light and suitable temperature for plant growth is ideal for Euphorbia tirucalli indoors. Generally, next to north or east-facing windows is the best location for this plant. Key pot replacement. When replacing the pot for Euphorbia tirucalli, it's better to use non-toxic pots with drainage holes to prevent soil suffocation and root rot OT. Euphorbia tirucalli, with its beauty and resilience, can be an excellent choice for home decoration. With minimal care and suitable conditions, this plant can easily amaze you as an outstanding home decoration. One mealybugs. These small white cottony insects can infest Euphorbia tirucalli, especially in warm and dry conditions. They suck sap from the plant, causing yellowing of leaves and stunted growth. To control mealybugs, you can wipe them off with a cotton swab dipped in alcohol or use insecticidal soap. 2. Spider mites. These tiny pests thrive in dry conditions and can cause webbing on the leaves of Euphorbia tirucalli. They suck sap from the plant, leading to yellowing and wilting of leaves. Regularly spraying the plant with water can help prevent spider mite infestations. If the infestation is severe, insecticidal soap or neem oil can be used. 3. Scale insects. Scale insects appear as small, brown or black bumps on the stems and leaves of the plant. They feed on the plant's sap, causing yellowing of leaves and weak growth. You can remove scale insects manually using a soft brush or cotton swab dipped in alcohol. Diseases? One, root rot overwatering and poorly draining soil can lead to root rot in Euphorbia Tirucalli. Symptoms include wilting, yellowing, and mushy stems. To prevent root rot, ensure proper drainage by using well-draining soil and avoid overwatering the plant. 2. Powdery mildew. Powdery mildew appears as a white, powdery substance on the leaves of Euphorbia tiruai, especially in humid conditions. It can cause leaf distortion and stunted growth. To control powdery mildew, improve air circulation around the plant and avoid overhead water irrigation. Fungicidal sprays can also be used as a preventive measure. 3. Bacterial leaf spot. Bacterial leaf spot manifests as dark water-soaked lesions on the leaves of Euphorbia tirucalli. It can spread rapidly in moist conditions. To control bacterial leaf spot, remove and destroy infected leaves, avoid overhead watering, and ensure proper spacing between plants to improve air circulation. Poisonous. This plant belongs to the Euphorbiaceae family and has thick branches resembling sticks, from which a white milky fluid called latex is secreted. The latex of this plant contains compounds known as furbol esters, which can be irritating to the skin. Contact with the skin or eyes can cause inflammation, burning, and discomfort. Therefore, when handling this plant, use gloves and protective goggles, and if exposed to its fluids, immediately rinse with water and seek medical attention if serious symptoms occur. If you like this video, please like and comment. Your comments and questions be happy and healthy.